Hi, welcome to My Cute Tunes. Today we're going to draw Penny from Fireman Sam, so grab your marker and follow along with me. We're going to start off with Penny's nose. So you're going to just draw a little U shape, and then both sides of the U shape, we're going to draw the underside of Penny's eyes. And then we're going to make it nice and round on top, as we always do. After that, we can do the pupils and the light reflections. Let's fill the pupils in. Now right below the nose, we're going to draw Penny's mouth, and you're going to draw a little top lip, and then at the bottom lip. And now that we have this, we can go and we can draw the jawline. Make it nice and round this time, nice and curvy, bring it upwards. Now on the sides, we're going to draw two little ears with an inner line, and on this side we're going to do the same thing as well. Now right on top, I want you to draw the hair, so I'll draw the sideburns and the hair coming out, and here we'll draw the fringe line as well, and then back to the ear. Now right on top, you can draw the eyebrows. Now let's do the head. So on top, the curvature of the head, connected to the ear, and on this side you're going to do the same thing. Now let's go back down to the jacket, and we're going to draw the collar and connect it with a nice curve. And now the torso. So I'm going to draw this hourglass shape, and on this side as well an hourglass shape, so it matches. And then right in the middle, before we draw the belt, you're going to draw a little square, and this square is going to be a pocket. And then on this side, we'll draw another square. So you'll draw something like this, and then connect it, and then an inner line there as well. And on this side, we're going to do the same as this one, but just much smaller. We're going to draw, and you're going to go to the top, and you're going to draw a little line there as well. And now we have a belt, and then we can just draw the belt in there as well. And maybe just the side of the belt on that side. Good. And now we're going to draw the other side, underside of the jacket. So I'm just going to draw a short line and a longer line, and I'm going to connect it with a downwards curve. Now right in there, there's a stripe. You're going to make a little stripe, two lines. We're going to draw the shoulders and the arms. So on this side, I'm just going to draw a shoulder, and I'm going to take it all the way down, and I'll connect it to the body. And this side, we'll do the same thing all the way down, connect it, and you're going to draw a stripe as well. Now we can draw the hands, and I'll just draw two little balls to indicate the hands. Now right up there, there's this badge, and we're going to draw the badge as well. And then right on top, there we go. Let's go down to the pants. I'm going to start on the outside, and I'm just going to draw the top leg, and then on the inside I'll draw the inside of the legs, and then we're going to do the calf areas, and I'll draw the calf area here also. And as you notice, one short line, one long line, and I'll do the same for this one, and of course the same for that one. Good. Now we're going to connect it with a nice curve, and this one as well, a nice curve. And now it's time for the shoe. So I'll just draw the heels, make it nice and round, all the way up, bring it back. And then this one, all the way up, bring it back. And then of course we can draw the soles of the shoes. There's one sole, and there's the other one, and then just the heel area there as well. And I'll just make a few lines there. Great, and there's Penny. Now you can check my picture out, and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.